Alright guys, so now guys, this is what I found out with this thing. Let me show you something guys, what's going on here. Things on the look at this guys. See that? This is the switch that switches it from high pass to low pass and X over. Look at this. Look at this guys. This is the switch. See that? Nothing look. See that? You hear that? Look at that. You see when you push it there. So look, see that? So you'd say clean this switch, but technically come back with the same problem guys. So see that? So that's why what channel 1 wasn't working. So I'm going after. Okay. I'm gonna have to take this amplifier apart, guys, just to replace that switch. Some people say they would do it, but me, guys, I like to clean, repair. Even if it take me the distance, I'll go the distance, guys, because that's how I do repair, guys. I don't do repair for somebody to bring it back to me the next day and say, hey, man, something is still acting up some way or something of the kind. So, yeah, no, guys, it's, but sometimes I'm gonna show you something, guys. When I said just now, I was like, oh man, why couldn't be one at the top, because it would be much easier. It was one of them at the top. I was like, yeah, but guys, it's never the easy one, It's always the hard one. So while you guys have a view of that, I'm gonna remove this here. Move this screw at the front here. There is nuts right here. Yeah, go ahead and jeez, a lot. 2 here and then 4 down here on my rods. Now I'm second guessing if I made the right idea. If I made the right decision, Jesus. Well, I did, guys, I did. A clean repair, said guys, clean repair. My God, one of those things gone. The midst of life. Right. A little way, guys. It's easier to take off them both off when you do that. Hold on, this one was in. Oh, okay, come on. Don't do that to me. Alright. I think I'm gonna have to take that front panel off too. Everything is off. Let's make sure everything is not off. Come on. Yeah. Come on, why be so hard? Come on. So yeah, this front panel have to come off to come right off. Alright, put this all in key here. And I know something I'm going to do, guys. That same button on this one, I'm gonna remove it too. I'm going to remove both of those buttons. I see like they use them a lot, so guys, see that fall out like that because I was taking it up, unplug it before. So this one I'm gonna, this switch I think I have these, hopefully I do. Okay. This sinus thing, guys, is giving me a beating, guys. I'm not used to being sick like this, I swear to you. Where I'm from, we don't sick like this. Jesus. I never had sinus problem until I came to America, guys. To tell you the honest truth. You know the year starts sometime for a while, you sneeze and cough, and then that's it. You have a flu regular, and then that's it. Get rid of it, that's it. Here, jeez, this thing is bothering me, like, guys, for months now. When I say months. Everybody's praying for the rain to fall so it wash, blow up. If you see my truck, guys, it's yellow. Jeez, and it's a black truck. Can you imagine? Those things cover it, I wash them out, they come back in the evening. So, like, I don't know what to do. And it's giving me hell, man. Like, the rain wouldn't even fall, guys. Like, to wash out the truck. Every day they said 60%, 50%, or 80%. Fall somewhere else, not here. It does fall. You could see the thunder rolling and stuff like that, but not here, guys. Yesterday I was doing some concrete work in my driveway, guys, and I was like, man, everything get dark. I said, oh man, it's gonna spoil. The cement is gonna wash out the cement. It's a good thing I didn't stop, and I'm glad to go. I'm so happy that the rain didn't come because it would mess it up. So I have to give thanks both ways, you know. If it did come, that would happen. Alright, come on. This screw here doesn't want to come up, so yeah. And it's always the one that's in the tricky spot that doesn't want to come loose, guys. These screws, you know. That's how it always goes. So don't even worry too much, guys. Oh boy, I have to take this right apart just to remove one switch. One little switch. Oh my words. One little switch. Alright, let's see here. What's still screwed to something here? Yeah, still a screw. A screw here. Alright. So these sometime you have to okay. This guys, sometimes you have to alright. That's good enough. This one shouldn't be too tight though, no. These are easy one to come up here. Yep, these good too. These. Oh yeah, these was down. Alright. And these just as I predicted, guys, 3205. Yeah, IRF 3205. A regular suspect. Oh, it doesn't lift up. Oh my word. Alright guys, as you can see, the chassis is clean. Shut the hell up. Alright guys, back view of the circuit board. It's a simple little circuit board, nothing too, you know, complicated, you could see. And this switch right here now, let me make sure, yeah. Oh boy, these little thing, you know, let me shake them out before they get lost. Alright, so let me move this my little drink to here. Turn this side iron up and put this a little more on this here. This guy, so let me get the switch. I'm gonna replace it on both circuit board. So these are the switches, guys. This is what they look like. So let me see. It matches up with 6 on this side, 2 on that side. Perfect, yes guys. So These are the switch here. I'm put them in my hand so you guys can get a clear view of what I'm talking about, or a better view, whichever you guys will. So yeah, so I'm gonna remove the one on this board too, just to be safe, guys. And I did buy a bunch of these, I think, one time. I think I have a couple left. I'm gonna order some more real soon. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's how a switch supposed to feel like. Yeah, these have some plane, you can check it up. As you see, guys, with these you could go up and down just like that. With these you can't even rat these. Yeah, that's the difference. Take a sip. Whew. Yes, guys, that's refreshing. All right, let me go here now. Come on. It's dump a lot of solder in it. Instead of taking off, it dump a lot of solder just now. Peace out. So I'm gonna do two at the same time. Alright, that's good. Do these two on this side, not crossway. Alright, that comes up pretty good. This one wasn't that clean just now. Get it cleaned up. Uh-oh. See those pieces of copper wire, guys? Always lay across the circuit board. Alright. Alright, ready then, ready then. It doesn't. Alright, guys, so this is the bad one. Right here, this is the culprit. The circuit looks like that now. Want it to move. I'm gonna put one of these in. Just like that. Should be good. Alright. Alright. So yes, guys. This one was removed and replaced. So yeah, look like that, guys. Damn. Wow. That's good. That's good so far. This one, it wasn't giving much of an issue, but it's pretty rusty. I can tell you that from testing it earlier, but it wasn't a big issue. One of the channels did a cracking sound, so I said, alright. I was gonna clean them up, but it seemed like these were put down for a while. These amplifier. Because I have another one that was the same problem with jail audio. I got from the same person that I did earlier, and I did make a video, guys, so you guys will see. But something is up with him on these switches. Or he switch a lot, you know, some people do that. They tune every second. They go down the road and music does not sound good, and they tune much. Sometimes it's not that. Some music play different and you know. So I said I was going to do. There's one here that's shouldn't. Alright. That's always that one to give you that little, you know. Always that one, guys. That's always gonna give you that extra work. Okay. This one wanna give me the extra work. Sorry guys, sometimes I don't remember where the camera is on this damn phone. So replace it with this one. You could see when it removed. Make sure no trace is damaged on this. And it's a double-sided board. You could see. Yeah. So replace this one also, just to be safe. Because as you could see, he uses this knob a lot. So yeah. So now solder them back, put them back together. Alright, so yes guys. Alright, so guys, that would be it for now guys on this. So I'm gonna show you part 3 up, well not part 3. The bench test of this video guys coming up shortly. Definitely. So what should I say now here? I could put this on because I didn't. Yeah, I think this could go on here, and I could do a bench test from here, which I don't really wanna do. But let me see here, guys, if I have these 2 screws for here. So yeah, but yeah, definitely could give you guys a bench test from here. So let me see. All right, this stays right here. This stays here, just to make sure. And I'm gonna clean this up right here. So it was this side here, and this was the one giving the problem. So let me see here. Let me do this, guys, and see if I can do a like a bench test. Do not practice doing this, guys, because it must be sometimes get really heated, and you know. So if I turn it on, it's playing. That's perfectly fine. So good. So let me go back to that YouTube non-copyright stuff that was playing. If I can find it back, still pending. All right. Pause it for a while. Switch this on. It does come on. All right, does go on. And you could hear bass. Alright guys, so that's channel that was me. Let me not get too excited, guys. So that's it, guys. You guys can see that pretty blue light there. Yeah, that's it, guys. Don't practice doing that. So that's it, is guys. That's it for this video, guys. Everything is up and running. All it was the switch, and I removed both of them, guys. So this guy will be a happy customer. All right, guys. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and that's it for this video, guys. You know, I like what I do, going one do, and everything's okay. So yep. So I'm put it back together now, guys, and that would be it. I wouldn't give you more, guys, any more bench tests. You know, just making sure everything is up and running. So see you guys on the next one. All right. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys, and let me give you before you leave a little view of, you know, I like this. I don't know. I like the look of amplifier like this. Look like a little city, you know. Ever since I was little, I like to, you know, look at these. I love this. I love electronics. All right, guys. So please like, subscribe if you like what I see, and see you guys on the next one. All right. Peace out. All right. Enough respect.